Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into Icloud, Com or Appleid. Apple. Com with your Apple ID. Once signed in, make sure you have your 2FA code ready. You need to confirm which device you'll remove, so note its name, model, or IMEI. Now go straight to Find My if you plan to erase first, or Open Account Devices to remove immediately. This step sets up authorization and gives you the control point from which you'll perform the remote removal. Once you're in Find My, select the target device and choose Erase Device. This wipes the device remotely and prevents access to your data. Make sure to confirm the erase. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or 2FA code. After the erase completes, choose Remove from Account so the device is no longer tied to your Apple ID. Alternatively, on Appleid. Apple. Com use devices, pick the device, and click Remove from Account to immediately disassociate it. You finish by verifying the device is gone from your devices list. Make sure it no longer appears on iCloud, Com, or in settings on your other Apple devices. Once done, change your Apple ID password and review trusted devices and app-specific passwords to lock things down. If the device is offline or activation lock remains, don't panic. Gather purchase receipts and contact Apple support because they can remove a locked device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.